MorningGuitar.com, and this is Goodbye by Eddie Vedder. This is definitely not an easy ukulele song, so you're going to have to refer to the chord chart and your own How to Finger the Chords chart for most of the song, but I'll show you some of the more difficult parts that I had to work out. The bulk of the verses uses a B-flat chord 7th variation. The whole thing starts out on a B-flat chord, first finger across these two strings, middle finger there, ring finger there. Now when you start singing the verse, you're going to roll your index finger off that first string to make it a major 7, and then roll it back on. And then for the 7th, slide this finger all the way across, and then for the 9th, your ring finger goes down on the first string. So what you're playing is you're starting out like this. What you have is a nice finger progression from the B flat, and then just roll that off, back on, and then stretch it across so you're not moving all your fingers at once, and then your ring finger goes there. So it's a nice smooth progression. In the second verse, a little over halfway through, there's a different chord progression. Look for the lyrics, "I don't know where you are tonight." And over that, you're going to play a C7 leading into an E flat minor 7 flat 5 or an E flat half diminished. So it's different words for the same thing. And the way you're going to play that, instead of playing your normal E7 here, you're going to bar it on the 3rd fret and put your middle finger on the 3rd string 1 fret up. That's an E7, just a different fingering. And all you're going to do is you're going to slide that down 1 fret and put your middle finger on the 1st string. And that's a half diminished chord. And for what feels like the first time, I don't know where you are tonight. I guess that this is goodbye. Which brings us up to the strumming pattern. It's a pretty standard uke pattern, which is easy to work out. I'm going to be on a B flat chord, and you're strumming 16th notes, your hands moving, keeping a steady 16th. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. So make sure you can do that before you try the rest of it. Once you've got your steady 16th working, then you're going to play the first 2 downstrokes, but you're going to skip the next one and do the upstroke. Then repeat that on 3 and 4. So you're going down, down, miss, up, down, down, miss, up, down, down, miss, up, down, up, at tempo. Now if you just try to move your hand when you're hitting the notes, you're not going to be able to stay on tempo. You have to have that steady 16th under it. Really, that's the easier way to do it. This is Ben Brown with MorningGuitar.com, and this has been How to Play Goodbye by Eddie Vedder off Ukulele Songs. And thank you for watching. I guess that